Welcome to Sparks Toyota. Here we have a 2013 Honda Pilot Touring. It has only one previous owner and comes with power heated mirrors with signals, roof rails, heat rejecting privacy glass, and much more. 18-inch alloy wheels, all-season tires, automatic multi-reflector halogen headlamps, fog lights, a chrome accented grille, and a strong 6-cylinder 4-wheel drive with only 87,662 miles. The power liftgate, a lift-up rear window, the wiper, the dual exhaust, a spacious cargo area with a third row seat, and a comfortable second row with a video screen and climate control. We can't forget about the power sunroof, the front row power heated leather bucket seats with driver memory, cruise, tri-zone auto climate, a garage opener, a locking glove box, a leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the easy to use entertainment system with a CD player, Bluetooth and SIRIUSXM, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze. Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.